The EcoSystem Miracle Mud method consists of 4 key components. The distinct design of the EcoSystem filter box produces the high filtering capacity of the EcoSystem Miracle Mud method. Aquarium water is repeatedly cycled over the Miracle Mud bed, where it is continuously filtered and enriched. The Miracle Mud substrate is the part of the EcoSystem method comprised of approximately 80% oceanic mud and 20% enrichment factors, including essential trace elements and minerals. Miracle Mud functions as a filtering medium, a refugium substrate, and a water enrichment medium. Miracle Mud is a highly efficient filter medium that contains the bacteria involved in the nitrogen cycle. It removes harmful nutrients from the water, resulting in negligible levels of nitrate. The fine consistency of Miracle Mud produces distinct aerobic and anaerobic layers that enable it to be both an excellent nitrifier and denutrifier. Within the top layer of the Miracle Mud, aerobic bacteria convert waste protein to ammonia, then to nitrite, then to nitrate, through the process of nitrification. The denitrification occurs in the Miracle Mud bed within the anaerobic layers that house the denitrifying bacteria. These bacteria colonies convert nitrate to harmless nitrogen gas and other byproducts. Miracle Mud also acts as a rich and biologically diverse refugium substrate, producing large quantities of phytoplankton and zooplankton, sufficient enough to provide most filter-feeding corals with all the food they need to survive and thrive. Within the Miracle Mud chamber, an isolated population of microorganisms, including copepods, arthropods, and mysid shrimp, are able to propagate, and these plankton supply a steady source of live food to the main aquarium inhabitants. Because of the existence of the food web cycle within the Miracle Mud chamber, breeding of animals is more feasible as there is a continuous food supply for the larvae. A unique property of Miracle Mud that adds to its proven success is its third key function, water enrichment. Miracle Mud is fortified with over 70 minerals and essential trace elements. These minerals and trace elements are released on a continuous basis, producing a stable aquatic environment, perfect for both fish and corals. This important aspect of Miracle Mud not only reduces the need for costly additives, it eliminates the guesswork involved in aquatic chemistry. The 3 primary functions of Miracle Mud produce an environment that enables aquarists of all levels to achieve success in aquarium keeping. The Miracle Mud bed is also home to an assortment of aquatic vegetation. This plant life assists in filtering and stabilizing aquatic conditions through the process of nutrient fixation. The plants aid in the removal of toxins from the water by converting phosphate, ammonia, nitrite, and nitrate into plant biomass. They also release oxygen and remove carbon dioxide through the process of photosynthesis, thereby stabilizing the pH. Unlike the main aquarium, the Miracle Mud bed chamber is illuminated 24/7. This serves several purposes, including stabilizing pH by counteracting the effects of reverse photosynthesis, which occurs in the main aquarium after the main lights are turned off. It also prevents problems linked to certain macroalgae releasing yellow color into the water. All 4 components of the EcoSystem Miracle Mud method work together to create a powerful, trouble-free aquarium filtration system. The process begins as water from the main aquarium enters Chamber 1. Here, mechanical filters break down large particles of waste and dissipate air bubbles. Live rock or bioballs should be used here. From Chamber 1, water flows through the outlet slot into Chamber 2, the Miracle Mud bed chamber. It is here that both nitrification and denitrification occur in different layers of the Miracle Mud substrate, converting toxic nutrients into harmless byproducts. While the Miracle Mud bed filters toxins from the water, it also enriches the water column through the continuous release of trace elements and essential minerals. Also in this chamber, vegetation is grown in the Miracle Mud bed under 24-hour illumination, producing oxygen through the process of photosynthesis and aiding in the removal of nutrients through the conversion of nitrogenous waste into plant biomass. All of these biological processes contribute to the high water quality essential to creating the ideal aquatic conditions needed by your fish, corals, and plants. Next, the enriched water flows into Chamber 3, where bioballs prevent macroalgae and other plants from entering the pump chamber. Finally, the enriched water is pumped back into the main aquarium via Chamber 4.